Hello. I stopped off today at that Toys Russ place, and I picked up the 12th Doctor's second sonic screwdriver toy. I'm just here to give it a little bit of a review. Look at it. Rather big, isn't it? Let's see what it does. Very nice, yes. Ooh. It's amazing. It's very amazing, yes. Ooh. Very pretty. Very, very pretty, yes. I think I've got the best place to put it. Well, come on. Back in my day, who needed a screwdriver as big as that? With all those glittery lights? Look at my lovely little one. Oh, music to my ears. Yes. Yes. It did the job, you know. Now, don't get me wrong. If you want an oversized, compensating for screwdriver that's got more lights in it than a Christmas tree, then by all means go with this one. But I love my little Sonic. I'm sure a lot of you out there do too. Nectar. Bye bye for now.